We'll show you how to set up a coding environment to bring with you into your job and how to access, manage, and analyze large data sets.
This program is designed to be hands-on, where you learn by doing. You'll engage with our course leaders who are subject matter experts. There's a dedicated program support team here to support you through the entire learning journey, ensuring that you get it.
This program is a true introductory program for those who have little to no experience coding and want to develop a basic understanding of Python and how to use it in business. Once you've completed the program, you'll be able to communicate with technical teams about data more effectively and be able to do the analysis yourself. The line between technical and non-technical roles is disappearing, and at Columbia, we're proud to be at the nexus of this change. We hope that you'll join us.